Bonjour everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy. As you can see behind me, it's quite a full summer here in Western Australia, and we are loving it. Sick. So today I decided to show you how to make a quick and easy salad using very summery fruits. So I'm gonna have a bit of lettuce, a little bit of the tomato, nectarine, and burrata. Burrata, that beautiful creamy mozzarella that everybody is getting off on it at the moment. It's going mad. So stay with me and check this out. To prepare this beautiful dish, all you need is a nice clean bowl, few fresh leaves, mesclun of salad, lime, nectarine, some cherry tomato, salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and of course a nice burrata. So we are going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over those leaves. We're going to add straight away a bit of pepper, a bit of salt, and of course a lemon juice. A nice squeeze, don't hesitate. Nice season. Here I'm using some sel de Guérande, a bit of a sea salt flake. Loving it. And give it a little toss, a little mix, just to make sure that your leaves are just covered with a light dressing. Place a little bit of your mesclun or leaves on a nice plate. That's all you need to do. Nice and easy. Now just cut your cherry tomatoes in half or quarter and place them around as you like to do. Create a bit of contrast, presentation, decoration. Doesn't take long. It's just nice. If you have different size, it's nicer. If you have different type, even better. And we have beautiful nectarines. So really that summer dish. Try to have a nectarine that's quite firm for this dish. You don't want some nectarine that's way too ripe, that's gonna break down. So we remove the seed of the nectarine and we are going to cut them in eighths or quarter if you rather something a bit large. So half of the nectarine, I keep them fresh and juicy. They're beautiful in summer, they're sweet. So for the others, we still have 2 or 3 months to go, but I know for the people in Europe and in the States, that's coming soon for you. So keep that recipe, put it aside, share it, save it, and you always have it. Now we are going to take the nectarine onto the grill and always have quality control. Try a piece of the nectarine. Bit of oil, throw it, like this on stick. Again, a little bit of pepper. Never forget your seasoning, a little bit of salt. And let's grill those babies. Yeah. That's on a quite high heat. We don't want to leave them for too long on the heat. We just want to char grill them a bit, give them a bit of a mark, a bit of a grill. We don't want it to be a compote, as you can see, just a nice grill, nice char flavor. That's all you need. How easy is that? Don't tell me you can't do that. We got our burrata and just break it. 1 burrata should do really 2 people, depending on the size of it. Consider about 30 to 50 grams of burrata per person, and you can place. So excuse my fingers, that's the dishes for me. It's colorful, it's fresh, it's healthy in a way, beside I guess the burrata itself. Otherwise, you can't complain. So I like to put a bit of dill, fresh dill. I like that aniseed contrast within this salad. That's just me. You could put any other herbs or no herbs at all. It's a salad. You do whatever you want. All you gotta do is to create it, make it, and enjoy it. It's so lovely. Bit more drizzle of extra virgin olive oil just at the end, and we're nearly set for lunch or dinner. It's a meatless. Not that I was inclined to do so, but I loved it. I really enjoy it, and I would do it again. I hope you enjoy, and check out my other recipe either on cookingwithfrenchy.com or just on YouTube. The recipe would be in the show more section. Per person for your shopping list. Here we are, back. So you can do as I did before on the recipe itself. You just do it as a vegan, vegetarian option if you want to keep it fresh. But that's be the perfect recipe for this Christmas, really, if you are here and suffering from the heat. And what I had in mind, because I love my protein, is a little bit of chicken, of course. So you can use it as well, leftover of chicken or pork or ham you're gonna have later on. But it's a beauty. So I hope you enjoy as much as I will. Bit of the burrata there. Oh, look at that. Bit of the fruit. Sorry for the flies. This is beautiful. You must do it. Have a lovely Christmas. See you next year.